Hi, Hawks. Happy Friday and happy last day of April. Don't forget that today is our very last day of our community scavenger hunt, as well as our readathon. And thank you to everyone who participated in both of those school-wide events. Um, anyway, let's get going with today's story. It combines two of my favorite things that rarely get combined together, dinosaurs and soccer. So here we go. It's called Vinny the Soccer Playing Dinosaur, and it's written by Brandon Cullum. And there's a coloring page there too. If you go to that website, you can get a downloadable to color your own Vinny. Meet this green dinosaur. His name is Vinny. He plays soccer with his brothers, but he is small and skinny. Lenny on defense, Theo and Charlie on attack. Vinny plays goalie all the way in the back. It is the first game of the season. The score is tied 3-3. The other team has the ball, heading straight for Vinny. 6, 5, 4. The ball was kicked hard and square. 3, 2, 1. Vinny flew into the air. The other team, 4. Vinny's brothers, 3. The game was over. Vinny's brothers were angry. It was your fault we lost. We would never lose if you were tall. But you're not. You're off the team. You're too small. Vinny went home, not sure what to do. What his brothers just said must be true. Vinny saw his ball and kicked it as hard as he could. I'm done with this game. I'm leaving for good. Vinny leaves his house and looks for a place to sleep. This was too high. That was too steep. He cannot reach the grass, no matter how hard he tries. He lays on the ground and begins to cry. An old saber-tooth appears. He watches from afar. He has seen Vinny play. He could become a star. Suddenly, Vinny sees a ball flying from a distance. He catches it and passes it back, all in an instant. I've never seen a dinosaur who can play like you. Stay with me, and we will see what you can do. Vinny stays with the old tiger and trains a lot. Vinny trains when it was cold and when it is not. They trained on the left during the middle of the night. They trained during the day all the way on the right. There is one more thing to learn to make you great. You can't play tall, you are tiny. That is your fate. You might be tiny, but I am more. You can become great because I became Pelesaur. Pelesaur's work is done. All his lessons rang true. Vinny must prove himself and show what he can do. Vinny leaves his teacher and makes his way back. He is going to find his brothers and rejoin the pack. It is the final game. The score is 2-2. Bill broke his foot. He is hurt and through. The referee announces they will lose today. The T-Rex team will win unless someone else can play. They won't lose. I can play on attack. The brothers are shocked. Vinny is back. We have no other choice. We have to put him in. You better not mess up. We can't lose again. The game starts. Vinny steals the ball. He goes past one defender and then past them all. Vinny has to beat one more before he is done. He kicks the ball hard. Time is up. 3, 2, 1. Flying through the air, past the goalie with a roll. The ball goes in. Goal! Vinny, Vinny, Vinny. Vinny is lifted into the air. He is the hero of the game. The crowd chanted Vinny. Everyone knew his name. After the game, Vinny was asked, "Where did you learn to dribble the ball?" With a grin, Vinny answered, "You wouldn't understand. You're too tall." And that's the end of our story. And this is another book by the same author. Thought you might enjoy that. So with that, boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Go Hawks!